Alrighty, today we're doing 3 into the Inklings Lorcana trading card packs. We'll see what we can get out of them. A Gizmo suit. Tornado Titan. Wow. I think that's from Hercules. Alrighty, there we have it. Not sure what all is good out, though. The Tornado Titan looks to be a rare card. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Oh, what am I doing? I still got 2 packs. Good morning. Second pack. Cubby. The Firebird. Huh. Chief Twee. Simba. Genie. And last one. Then I get to sign you guys off. Oh, there we are. The Sorcerer's Hat. Okay. Alright, looks like some pretty decent stuff there, guys. Now I'm going to sign off, so thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if any of this stuff is really good or you guys like it. And like, subscribe, and check out the channel for other great pack openings for Magic, and stay on the lookout for more Lorcana pack openings as well. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.